Hello and welcome to this video in the Microsoft Ads training series. Today, we'll be setting up our tracking code on our website. Having a campaign running is great, but the value of our campaign is directly correlated to the data we collect while running it. If all we do is drive traffic and don't interpret what went well and poorly, we might as well be lighting our money on fire and watching it burn. Today is the first step in understanding what is working and not by setting up to monitor your traffic. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you are helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoy the video. Open up your Microsoft Advertising account, and on the left-hand side, click on Conversion Tracking. Please select UET Tags. We need to set up our Universal Event Tracking tag first. That's what UET stands for, Universal Event Tracking. On this page, click Create UET Tag. Enter your tag name. I would suggest just putting your business name here. Under description, you can enter your business name again if you want. Once you click Create, a window with a bunch of code pops up. Click Copy, then press Ctrl-C. If you're on an Apple, Command-C, and then hit Enter. Now, we need to load up our website. If you're using Shopify as an e-commerce platform, load up your Shopify admin panel, click on Online Store on the left. In the page that pops up, we need to click on the Actions drop-down list and edit code. Once we have the code dialog open, we need to find our theme.liquid file and paste the code inside the head section of the theme.liquid file. If you're not using Shopify, maybe you host your own website or you use a funnel software, you need to paste this code into the head section of every page on your website. This is telling Microsoft to track the information of the person using this page. Once Microsoft receives data from the UET tag, it will go from unverified to verified. Now, we need to start talking about conversion goals. Click the Conversion Goals link and create a conversion goal. So what constitutes a conversion on your website? In most cases, when your thank you or order confirmation page is loaded, that should be considered a conversion. Now, a conversion won't necessarily mean a sale. A conversion is just a visitor completing the desired task on your website. If you're building an email list, a conversion should be viewed as someone who submitted their email. If you're selling something, a conversion is when someone breaks out the credit card and spends money on your website. Whatever your conversion means, there should be an associated page that loads up thanking your customers for their time and the action. Let's name our first conversion goal for whatever we want our visitor to do and track a destination URL. Click Next. Set destination URL with equals to and put the web page URL of the page that we need to track. Now, if you have a dynamic thank you page that includes an order number, click the Contains dropdown and put the URL up to the dynamic content. Scope should be set for your website that you set up. If you have more than one, this could cause problems if you set it across all of your accounts. Revenue value is tricky. If you're running an e-commerce website, it would be the cart value. If you're doing a static offer, then you have the same value every time. If you're doing an email capture, you don't have to assign a value. In the case of an e-commerce website, there's a little more work that needs to be done. If you don't fall under this, simply select the option and put your value. For e-commerce, assign a default value and I will create a separate video specifically for you in making the variable revenue tracker. Alright, set count to unique, and I always set my conversion window to 30 days. Select your UET tag from the drop-down list if you have more than one. Then all you need to do is copy the code and add it to the UET tag code we had from before. You can add this to your thank you page or all pages, as this will only fire when the thank you page URL is showing. Click Save, and we are done. Thanks for watching. If this helped you at all, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping training. Next time, we'll be creating our first search campaigns for purchase intent. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.